Jeremiah alian somni letum anel somni leli mi khat pel pel ke mu loading in bosim trading a hi hiam to pa in kong chi hi leitung van tung mun kem pel ka om lam tak a thelo na hiu hiam to pa in kong chi hi to verse a meaning mo like cam loading na te gu loading ina mi te kal hi loading cause na hi ala that's like called like hoilo ina a verse like a Bible la hilo din kichia ina to tangazong it said like if you guys steal and if you guys think no one's watching you, God is always watching you from the beginning, like when you guys were born until this day. So that's what that's the verse what it means, and no lying, no stealing, because that's bad. Like if you do that, that's a bad thing, and you could just if you know that's wrong, you could just ask God to forgive you and he will forgive you again. And God bless you. Thank you for watching.